Guys, welcome back. So now in this video we are going to validate our form. As you can see now, let me show you. This is our mobile screen, and if you see here, this is the text form field and this is the profile image. For example, if user not select this profile image, so we will display the dialog box error box, please select the profile image. Or if user selected this file and he leave any these field empty, any of one, like for example if the user not fill his or her name, or user not fill the email, or user leave this phone number empty, or if the password is not matching with the confirm password, all these things we will validate in this video. User must have to fill all the information correctly. We cannot leave the user with empty text field. So user must have to fill name and profile image, email, phone, password, and confirm password. And password and confirm password should be matched. If both are different, we will not allow to user to register. And here we will get the location. If user not select this, we will validate also this. So let's validate this form in this video. So for this, come back to the registration dot and come above. And here you will see we have already created this get profile image function. Let's minimize this and let's minimize this also. Get current location. Now after this, let's create a function future void, and the function name will be validate form, or you can say validate information, and it will be type of async. So let's validate the first of all let's validate the profile image. If user did not select the profile image, so we will display the error and dialog box, please select the image. So for that, right here if condition, if our variable is for the image x file is equals to null. So in this condition, what should be display to the user? So here we will display a show dialog box. So dialog this one, and let's break this code like this. Now remove this builder and put two round brackets, right C, and open two brackets here like this, and put semicolon at the end. Now here let's return the our error alert. So this is the class which we have created in our previous video, and here it need a message parameter, and message will be please select and select profile image, and put semicolon here. Click on this, add const modifier. Now what will happen if user, for example, user not select any profile image? This one. If user not select and not upload any this image, so we will display please select the profile image. So let's pass this function to the on press button. So copy this, come back, and here you will see this is the registered button. here. This is so when user will press on it without selecting image, so we will display this. So let's say here validate information and put semicolon. So now when user will click on this registered button, I mean here, and if he not selected this image, so we will display the error dialog box, and it will work here. We are passing this here on press. So let's test it. Before testing the application, actually before testing the application we have to come and we have to do some changing. So come here, app build.gradle, double click, and here in your case it will be like this. So just from 16 to make it 19, because it needs a higher version minimum SDK to use the Google and Firebase, Firestore, all these backend data. It is need the 19, and after this version name, Flutter version name, here right here multi dex enabled true. Make sure spelling should be same like this. Now close it, and we have already passed this function here which we have created above, this one. So let's see it's work or not. So how to reload or run your application. So I just making run my application again, and this is plus screen. Now click here registered. Now let's, without selecting this image, let's directly press on registered. As you can see here, please select profile image. If I click on this OK, it will disappear, as you can see. So it's working fine. So let's validate the other fields, like if user not fill the name, not fill the email or phone or password not matching like this. So come here. So after this here you will see this if condition closing here. So write here else, and then write if. So here in this we will validate first password. So let's say if password controller.text equals to confirm password.text. So in this condition what we are going to do, we are, let's message here, saving the information. So what will happen if the password match correctly with the confirm password, so we will save the user information. Now for the other text form field here, let's say if, let's say first one name controller.text is not empty, I mean it's not empty, and email controller.text dot is not empty, and phone controller.text is not empty, and confirm password.text is not empty. So in this condition what we are going to do here, cut from here, this cut and paste it here. Now what I did actually here, this is the if condition. If the password match the confirm password, so we are going allow to saving the data. And the same, in this same condition we are giving another condition, if also name, email, phone and confirm password is not empty in the field, already user filled, so we are saving data. So yeah, we are saving data here, or else Let's make else here, else one more. Show dialog box, and here let's remove this like this, and inside here we'll return our dialog box, error dialog, and message will be password not match, and put semicolon here. Click on it, add a const modifier here. Now come here, and in the else part of this, here else, just simply copy paste this show dialog box, copy and paste it here, and here we will change this. Please fill all the required field, or you can say please fill all the text form field, or please for fill the all information. So just for testing, I'm just telling you whatever you want you can write here. So yeah, we have validated our this form. First, what will happen when user will click on register button without selecting this image? So we are displaying this please select an image. If you just selected image, okay, then we are going here in this condition, if password not match, if password and confirm password is match and both are correct, so we are saving data. And also if the name is not empty, email control not empty, I mean all text form field is filled by the user, so we are saving data. If this condition is false, user not fill anything, and this is confirm password not match, so we are displaying this error alert, please fill all the required fields. Else, if password, if user filled everything but password not match, some for example he writes something wrong in the password, and from the correct password to the confirm password not matching, we are displaying this message password not. So let's test the application. So how to run application? Now we are on our welcome screen. Now click here registered. Now let's directly click on this registered first. Please select profile image. So okay, so let's select any image, click on it. Let's select this one. Now let's click registered. Please fill all the required, because we not fill any required fields. So let's let me give here name. Now let me empty another, let's see it's work or not. So I did not fill email, phone, and let's see what happened. So click on this registered. As you can see, it will not allow to go further. It will not process the things to not say, because we left the text form field another one. Let's click on OK. Now let's write email. So let's say this is email. So now let's click on registered button. Let's see what happened. Still we not fill all the text, so it's saying please fill all the required fields. Click OK. Now the phone, let's say phone number, anything. Now again let's click on this registered. You can see it will display until you will not fill all the information. And sorry guys, we forget to validate this restaurant, so come here quickly, and let's say after this here write and location controller dot text. So this will also, so the location controller dot text dot is not empty like this, so it will be validate also. Run application again. Click here register. Now let's click directly to register. So yeah, it's working fine. So hope you guys understand the how to validate this form, and we will continue this in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.